Mag-ingay! Magandang hapon, mga bagong iskolar ng bayan! Handa na ba kayo matuto ng mga UP Cheers?
Ay, parang mahina pa yan. Pwedeng isa pa? Parinig nga. Handa na ba kayo? Pwede ko bang marinig yung side lang na to? Isa pa. Handa na ba kayo? Ang hina.
Magpapatalo ba ang side na to? Handa na ba kayo? When I say you say P. You. You.
When I say iskolar, you say ng bayan, iskolar.
Ng bayan.
Iskolar.
Ng bayan.
At handa na nga sila. So, yan, maraming salamat po na nandito kayo ngayong hapon. Alam naming na-excite kayo para sa University Welcome Assembly. At talagang, ayun, nag-manifest sa TikTok. Nakikita ko yung mga nag-manifest na, sana gusto ko rin ma-experience to, ganyan. So, masaya kaming makita kayo dito ngayong hapon at kami din ay excited na turuan kayong lahat. Bago ang lahat, magpapakilala muna kami. We are the
UP Varsity Pep Drummers. The UP Varsity Pep Drummers is UP Dilemans, drum beating and pep cheerleading varsity. Kasama ang UP Pep Squad, we go to the UAAP Games in order to lead the UP community in supporting our UP Fighting Maroons.
The UP VPD also attends various UP events such as UP Lantern Parade, UP Pride, UP Foundation Week, University Welcome Assembly, at marami pang iba. Okay? Wow!
Wow!
Marami pang iba. At UP VPD is here to support our athletes, heighten the UP pride, and uplift the entire UP community. Ako nga pala si Maye.
And ako si Dom. And we are here to teach you the UP Cheers.
Ayan. So maraming UP Cheers, pero itong mga ituturo namin ay yung mga pinakakailangan ninyong malaman para sa pag-attend ng UAAP Games and sa mga UP events inside the campus.
For the next 20 minutes, we will be teaching you 7 UP Cheers. And sa lahat ng cheers na ito, gumagamit kami ng mga hand signals. During games kasi, during events, daming nagsisigawan, daming hiyawan, mahirap may kapag-communicate sa kapwa teammates. So, we use hand signals in order to communicate the cheers without having to say the titles.
So, speaking of pagsigaw, pag nag-cheer kami, nanggagaling dapat lagi sa diaphragm and not from the throat. Kasi gusto natin masustain yung lakas and yung kakayahan, yung kakayahan na mag-cheer all throughout the games.
So, with that, Freshies ng Bayan, are you ready?
Let's go! Okay, magtungo na tayo sa ating first cheer. First, it's let's go, go, go! Ayan, so let's go. Itong cheer na ito, very hype cheer siya. And nag-i-start siya with clapping for 12 times. So gawin natin yung pag-clap. And then, pag sinabi yung let's go UP, let's go UP. So, mirror po pala kami para hindi nyo na kailangan baliktarin pa. So, sundan nyo na lang kung ano yung nakikita nyo. Yan. So, UP, let's go UP. So, gagawin lang natin siya for 4 times. And gawin natin siya with the help of the drummers. Okay? Let's go. Ready na ba? Ready? In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's go, UP! 3 more. Let's go, UP! Last 2. Let's go, UP! Last 1. Let's go, UP! Yeah, very good, very good.
Thank you so much, Maya, for teaching our first cheer. Now, for our second cheer, I'm pretty sure familiar kayong lahat kasi tuwing games, narinig nyo na UP Fight! Okay, paano yan? ang hand signal niya, taas fist. Ganyan. And usually, magsisimula yan, may magli-lead na pep. Sisigaw siya ng UP fight. Ayan. I-demo nga natin, Maye.
Okay,
Demo.
sige,
Ako
sige.
yung magli-lead.
Oh, tas 2 times.
2 times
Okay,
tayo.
sige.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. UP fight!
UP fight!
UP fight!
UP fight!
Ayan, ganyan siya, sagutan kami. Tapos, mag-follow up yan ng mga clap sequence. 1, 2, ready, go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
You!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. B! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Fight! UP fight! So, clap sequence, tapos isi-spell out natin ang U. P, fight, UP fight. Kaya ba natin yung gawin? Sige nga, i-demo natin kasama ang ating mga drummers. Ready na ba kayo? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. UP fight! UP fight! 1, 2, ready, go! U! B! Fight! UP fight!
Ayan. So, very good for the second cheer. Ito namang next cheer natin is called Maroons. Ayan. So, ang Maroons, ito yung hand signal niya. So, instead of this, we do this kasi, again, sa sinabi kanina ni Dom, hindi nagkakakitaan sa Araneta or sa arena. So, pag ganito, mas madaling makita. Ayan. So, Maroons, kung kanina nagbilang tayo sa Let's Go, may pag-spelling din naman sa UP Fight. Ito, mas mahaba yung spelling. So, Maroons starts with Go! Fight! Fighting Maroons! And then the next part is spelling. So, M-A-R-O-O-N-S. And then clap for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then Fighting Maroons. So, tuwing sinasabi natin yung Fighting Maroons, laging nagka-cross except for the intro. So, can we do the intro and then the 2 spellings with the help of the drummers? So, 5, 6, 7, 8, go! Fight! Fighting Maroons! M-A-R-O-O-N-S! 1, 2, 3,
Fighting Maroons!
One more!
M-A-R-O-O-N-S!
Fighting Maroons! Ayun. And the next part naman is Go fight! Go win! Go fight! Fighting Maroons. And then we'll do that again for 2 times. So after nun, kakanta tayo guys. Ilabas nyo yung Mimi. Ayan. Ayan. So yung next part is Oh, Fighting Maroons. Oh, Fighting Maroons. Oh, Fighting Maroons. And then yung last part is Go Fight Fighting Maroons. Parang ready. Parang alam na nila talaga yung beats.
Natural, Maye. Natural sa kanila.
I'm sure napapanood nila ito sa mga TikTok. So tara, cheer natin ng Maroons with the help of drummers. Ready na ba kayo? Ready? Isa pa, ready? Ready na ba? Ayun. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, go! Fight! Fighting Maroons! M-A-R-O-O-N-S! 1, 2, 3, Fighting Maroons! M-A-R-O-O-N-S! Fighting Maroons, go fight! Go win! Go fight! One more! Fight! Go win! Go fight! Fighting Maroons! Oh! Fighting Maroons! Oh! Fighting Maroons! Oh! Fighting Maroons! Go! Fight! Fighting Maroons! Ayan.
Nice one. So, thank you so much, Maye, for that. For our next cheer, may pagka-slay siya. May pagka-sassy na siya. And I love the energy. Ang next beat natin ay Hey Ho. Ayan. Paano yung hand signal?
Yung hand signal ng Hey Ho is
Ganyan lang siya, guys. Hey Ho. So, paano yung magsisimula? Magsisimula yan ng cheer. So, sabay-sabay tayo mag-cheer ng State U, let's go. Kasi state U naman tayo, di ba? Ayun.
Yeah.
So, state U, let's go. Tapos, may dance moves yan habang kumakanta tayo. State U, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey! So, pakita nyo yung angas nyo. Hey! And then, ho!
Ho! Cross arms dito sa kabilang side. Hey! 1, 2, 3. Ho! 1, 2, 3. State U. Let's go. Ayan. So, may pagha, may pagganon, may pagganon, and may pagganon. So, uulitin lang natin yon 7 beses. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo tumayo sa mga upuan ninyo para sabayan kami, go lang guys.
Go!
Ina-encourage namin kayo. Tayo kayo.
Sabayan nyo
Tara,
kami,
tara.
sabayan nyo kami.
Sabay tayo, okay? Let's do one practice of the dance, okay? So sabay tayo ng state U, let's go on 5. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
State U, let's go!
1, 2, 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Ho, 1, 2.
You! Let's go!
Nice one,
Ayan.
everybody. All right. So, sabay naman tayo kasama ang ating mga drummers.
Yes.
So, kaya niyo yan 7 times. Huwag kayo mawala sa bilang. Okay, ready everyone? Hey ho, in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. State U, let's go! 1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Ho!
Let's go! Hey! Ho! Pangatlo!
Hey! Ho!
4!
Ho!
5! Last 2?
Nice one, everybody! Woo!
Ops! Bago kayo umupo. Next year is, We Are UP. So bakit ko kayo pinatayo? Dahil lang We Are UP, jumping naman tayo ngayon. Yan. Kasi ito, very, very hype to sa games. Usually, piniplay ito kapag nakaka 3 points yung sa basketball team. So, We Are UP, it starts with 4 counts ng beat. Pwedeng parinig drummers ng intro. In 5, 6, We Are UP, intro. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yun yung intro niya. And then, we'll do the cheering. Okay. So, tatalon tayo 1, 2, 3, we! So, pa-W.
W, W.
And then after nun, 1, 2, 3, R. So yung R, didikit yung fist nyo. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, UP. So, ayan. So gagayahin natin si Oble. Ayan. Pwede ba natin gawin intro hanggang sa 1 set of We Are UP? 1 set. Game? Ready? In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan.
Ang galing!
Galing nyo, guys! Okay. Dahil alam nyo na ang cheer, gawin natin yung buong cheer. Let's go! Ready, ready?
Let's go, everybody!
We're UP in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times yun, UP, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah!
Okay, parang napa-workout tayo doon.
Pagod ako dun.
Grabe. So, for this next beat, upo muna tayo, magpahinga muna tayo, ano ba? So, Okay, feeling ko may energy pa tayo. Tingnan mo ang ingay nila, oh. Sobrang dami pang energy. So, malapit na tayo matapos with our second to the last beat. Ayan. Our next beat is, hey. Paano, Maya?
Hey. Hindi na ganito ah. Hey. Hey lang. Ayan.
Parang yung W kanina sa We Are UP. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang, guys. So, paano yan? Magsisimula yan sa cheer. Magsisimula yan sa lyric na, hey! UP go! UP fight! Hey, let's go, let's fight! Hey! UP go! Okay, sabay na kayo. UP fight! Hey, let's go, let's fight! Hey! UP go! UP fight! Hey, let's go, let's fight! So, tuloy-tuloy yan. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Kasi pang-hype the cheer na yan. Until marinig natin ang entrance ng drummers natin. So, can we hear like an example of an intro na 2 sets ng
2 sets ng cheer and then intro ng drummers.
Okay, so
Ready?
pakinggan natin. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey!
Last one. UP go!
Ayun. Right. So, ganun siya. So, marinig niyo yung drummers. At pag pumasok na yung drummers, last set na yon. So, isa pang ganun. Tapos, papasok yung drums. So, paano yung hand movements? Okay? Parang swimming lang yan. Yan ang pinaka-tip ko sa inyo. Parang swimming lang yan. So, paano? 1, 2. Ay, paano? May mic pala ako. Sorry.
So, right, left, and then UP go, punch up yung last na umangat. Punch up, and then yung isa sa front.
Ayan. So, yan. Parang letter L. Yes, letter L. Tapos, kung ano yung nasa taas, ibababa ninyo. At kung anong nasa harapan, ititiklop ninyo. Parang i-flex nyo. Parang ganyan lang. Ayan. Tapos, pagkatapos niyan, kung anong nasa harapan, ititiklop nyo. At kung anong nakatiklop, itataas ninyo.
Yan, ang
O,
galing
diba?
naman.
At ulit, kung nakataas ang kamay ninyo, ibababa ninyo ulit. At kung nandito yung kamay ninyo, ihaharap ninyo from up to down. So, up, down, fold, up, down, fold. O, tingin mo, parang lumalangoy lang
Parang
siya.
langoy lang siya, guys.
Oh, ganyan. Di ba? Sige nga. Okay, so kakanta ako ng hey, tapos gawin niyo yung hand movements, okay? Tingnan natin kung kaya nyo. Ready?
With movements na yung yung
With
cheer
movements.
natin.
Okay, so cheer ako. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey! UP go! UP fight! Hey, let's go, let's fight! Carry nyo.
Very pang UP student yung movement ng cheers.
Sige, one more, tapos invite natin ng mga drummers na sumama tayo sa cheer na to. So, one more hand movement. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey! UP go! UP fight! Hey, let's go, let's fight! Okay, kaya nila yan!
Kayang-kaya naman.
Kayang-kaya. This time, let's invite our drummers to play along our cheer. Ready?
So, 3 cheers.
Hand signal, paano ulit? Hand signal ng hey.
Okay?
Ayan, tama. Okay. We're going for hey in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey!
UP go! UP fight! Hey, let's go, let's fight! 2 more! Last one, bago pasok ng drummers. One more! Ready for movements? 5, 6, 7. Here we go! Two. Hey, let's go, let's fight! Last one!
Hey! Here we go! We fight! Hey, let's go, let's fight!
Yan, very
Whoa.
good. Guys, okay lang na hindi pa na-gets ngayon, pero dapat sa mga next UAAP, games, sumasabay na rin kayo.
Na-pressure ng konti.
So, we're now down to our last year. Grabe. Ang pinaka... Grabe, favorite. Kita ko talaga to sa TikTok eh. Paulit-ulit to sa TikTok eh.
Masyado
Mga
na sila
nag-manifest ng ano,
excited.
habang nagsusulat ng notes, manifest, UP. Ayan. So, nandito na kayo ngayon. So, itong next year, tinatawag na Universidad Original. So, yung hand signal is this. Yan. So, ito, very name-body talaga niya yung pagiging UP student. Kahit yung mga taga-ibang school eh, favorite na rin tong ano na to eh, cheer na to eh.
Wala
So,
pa ako sa UP, kinakanta ko na yan.
Yeah. Yun. So, Universidad Original. And it starts with 4 snares. Drummers, pwede parinig. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Universidad ng Pilipinas. So, turo tayo sa taas. Universidad ng Pilipinas and then down. So, 4 counts yung 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, alam na eh.
Kabisado ang lyrics.
Ayan. So, gagawin natin yung part na yon for 8 times. So, hindi pwede mangalay tulad nung kanina. So, 8 times na tuloy-tuloy. Okay? Pwede bang gawin natin from intro to 8 times na Universidad Chorus?
Kayang-kaya nila yan, May.
Okay. In 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Universidad ng Pilipinas! 2. 4. Pilipinas! 5. 6. 7. Last one. The Pilipinas. Stop. Yon.
I love the energy. Nakaka-hype talaga tong cheer na to.
Itong next part, favorite talaga to. Okay? Itong next part is matatapang. Pag matatapang is, ganito yung movement. Matatapang. So, 5 count siya. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5.
Actually, let's invite everybody to stand up. Very
Ayun.
important part to, di ba?
Yun!
Let's go!
Okay. So, after matatapang, 5 counts yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Matatalino. Matatalino. And then, walang takot. Kahit kanino. Tapos, hindi magpapahuli. Ganyan kaming mga taga-UP. Yan. Okay. So, i-continue ko na siya. So, after nung matatapang na part, uulitin natin yung chorus for 4 times na lang, hindi na 8 times. Tapos yung dulo is, after nung 4 na Universidad ng Pilipinas. So, magkakaroon tayo ng claps. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turo sa taas.
Isa pa.
So, sasabay lang tayo sa, sa beat. Dag, takadag, dag. Ready na ba?
Ready sila!
Okay. Simulan na natin. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Universidad ng Pilipinas.
bayan. Ready na ba kayo?
So, simula ulit tayo with Let's Go. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's go, UP! Let's go, UP! Let's go, UP! Let's go, UP!
Nice one! For our second beat, ready na ba kayo mag-UP fight? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. UP fight!
UP fight!
UP fight!
UP fight!
1, 2, let it go!
Okay. Next cheer is Maroons. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go!
Fighting Maroons! M-A-R-O-O-N-S! Fighting Maroons! M-A-R-O-O-N-S! Fighting Maroons! Go fight! Go get! Go fight! Fighting Maroons! Go fight! Go get! Go fight! Fighting Maroons! Oh! Fighting Maroons! Oh! Fighting Maroons! Oh! Fighting Maroons! Go fight! Fighting Maroons!
Beat, intervene natin ay Hey Ho! Hey Ho! Ready? In 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Stay tuned! Let's go!
Give your Anna. And now, down to number 50. Ito. Ito yung talong-talong guys. Ready? Ready? With We Are UP? Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, ready na sila for our next. Sabi na the last beat. Sabi na the last beat na ba, diba? Hey! Hey, paano ulit? Yan. Let's ready to cheer in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey!
Ready for movement? Ready na ba kayo sa pinaka-cheer? Ready? Universidad Regional! In 5, 6, 7, 8!
Universidad ng Pilipinas! 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 Matatabang, matatalino, walang takot, kahit talino, hindi magkakahuli, ganyan kami, mga taga-UP. Universidad ng Pilipinas! Universidad ng Pilipinas! Universidad ng Pilipinas! Universidad ng Pilipinas!
Thank you so much for being so energetic and learning all of your cheers. So, for our closing remarks, gusto rin namin magpasalamat sa iyo, sa inyong lahat. Please follow our social media pages at Instagram at the UPVPD and Facebook page at the UP Varsity Pep Drummers. Maraming salamat po!